Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to see hidden requests to message in Instagram and how you can turn off or on Instagram message requests. So all you have to do is open your Instagram apps. So if you in case you have a Instagram account, you can do this by open your inbox. Here you can tap your inbox. See this request, you can tap the request here. As you can see, this is the hidden request or message request option, and I don't have any message request. You can adjust the setting is in this feature. Just tap on this hidden request, tap it. So this request containing messages that may be offensive or unwanted are moved to this folder. So there is no hidden request on my account. You can manage hidden words preferences in here. Just tap this blue text. So unwanted comment and message request option. When these settings are on, Instagram automatically hides some comment and message requests. So you can learn more by tap this option. Here you can turn this on. Instagram will automatically move a variety of comments such as those that are potential offensive or spam. You can advance comment filtering, hide message requests, you can turn on. So you can learn about this all to protect your account from offensive act or some unwanted act by strangers. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the next button below. See you in the next video.